Goko neko Kikuyu podcast. Guys, Kimani Ichung'wa niokite akaniko ni gatheti ya The Standard. Muthenya wa ira Kimani Ichung'wa ni araninire career yake ya politics. It doesn't matter how long you build your name. It doesn't matter how good you are. Kaundu kanini tu niko kagwithagia mundu. Na Kimanira niguo aragwithirie political career yake thi. Itaruka kumwira uria gatheti Standard yugite bunge la wananchi Githurai mena rwimbo na tetuthikirie rwimbo rwa bunge la wananchi Githurai uria marauga.
Kimani hajakatwa, Kimani hajakatwa, bado ni kipi, bado ni kipi, bado ni kipi.
Itheti yaugire regejia ikinya kuria nitukamenya ndekitwo ria ino Kenya na ena mukorino kwaja hau aranira muno ene kaone kaja muno. Guys, Kimani Ichung'wa ni aranini ya siasa muthenya wa ira. Gatheti ya Standard irauga atia muthenya wa umuthi. Gatheti ya Standard page ya mbere yothe kana page ya mbere ni Kimani Ichung'wa wekito hau au makandika drunk with power. Ndida muigwe uria gatheti ino yugite. After kwandika Kimani Ichung'wa is drunk with power, o niguo maracokire mauga ndamuna yagite kenene muno. Musubscribe thini wa channel ya podcast rikana kwikoni wedeta undu wothe wa politics kwikoni wedeta politics agikoni wenda gufatira politics cia bũrũri wa Kenya. Kikuyu podcast guku nikwenda kurea maundu ma politics, maundu mothe ma politics thini wa bũrũri wa Kenya toroguo tu thini wa Mount Kenya region. Gatheti Standard kauga drunk with power, macoka makandika hau atiriri Kimani Ichung'wa closeness with President William Ruto has made him develop a God complex. Kimani Ichung'wa gukuhaniria na mutongoria wa bũrũri gutumite ahuane tari gakai fulani kana gakai God complex. A man who prides himself as an alumni of the prestigious Alliance High School, he displays extreme self-importance and arrogance. Yesterday's thuggery in Kikuyu, allegedly sponsored by the leader of majority in the National Assembly to settle scores with the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, has become his modus operandi in the belief that being close to power makes him untouchable. His penchant for brinkmanship speaks of a human drunk with power. Yoni gatheti yugete ati Kimani Ichung'wa kwa ituika mthenya wa ira kana lumasi yashikire kwa gunsiria shirakire kuria muthenya wa ira cia sponsoretwo ni Kimani Ichung'wa mundu tuire wihurite Githuri akiuga thomeire prestigious shukuru kana shukuru wa Alliance School. Ni makauga atiriri ati ukweria mutongoria bũrũri gutumite Kimani Ichung'wa awene tari gakai fulani na gako a drunk with power kana gako aritwo ni utongoria drunk with power. And gatheti Standard yugete na yesterday Kimani Ichung'wa niye areingeririe mutego-ini. In fact, let me tell you one thing. Rigathi Gachagua agiko Kimani Ichung'wa ndanahutia Rigathi Gachagua kana Rigathi Gachagua matine kwondo. Aiko Rigathi Gachagua agirathie tu kuria arie at least Kimani Ichung'wa hihi andu a Kikuyu ni wangirona ario sawa. No ni undu wa maundu marekikira muthenya wa ira. Na gatheti no ugatuika marakiuga atiriri Kimani Ichung'wa it's like he was involved then wa maundu macio. Agonism na kinaki. Undu ucio ni atumire Kimani Ichung'wa enine gisiasa. Lakini mwire kama 2027 ni undu wa undu uria urekikira kuri muthenya wa ira. Kimani Ichung'wa ni kuhuthiire ndagathurwo kuria Kikuyu. No ne hihi tagathurwo but from kuringana na ndirona atmosphere uria iri ni undu wa kuhura ruriri ni undu wa kuhura mugikuyu ni undu wa guthi against agikuyu Kimani Ichung'wah kwena hotaki kumunena muno ni arainuka areciria hihi ekwonania uria ena hinya muingi but Gachagua showed him we gutiri undu uri nini ni ekuga and Gachagua ukinya kuria mwena wa Kikuyu Gachagua ukinya kuo Gachagua kuhurwo gwikirio tear gas niko kora ninire Kimani Ichung'wah. It was a big win for Rigathi Gachagua and Kimani Ichung'wah was destroyed completely. Adageta rugothi kuri andu kwaria. For your information, daishi Kimani adageta guthie go campaign thino Mount Kenya region. Tondu guti mundu ungimuthikiriria. And that's truth of the matter. Daishi squad yothe guthi andu mangethie kirima-ini guthie kwambia kora campaign. Guthi andu mangethie kirima-ini kwaria ati aga kora campaign. They can't. In fact, on the Mokoro 27, magatonyete Mount Kenya region. And people will not allow him to speak. People will not allow them to speak. So, mutogea for yage shiria, kuna andu makamuteithia. Gutire. Isha andu acio na liabilities. Hawati na asset onake. Liabilities. Acio ni andu mamutete. Acio ni andu ananio matumite by the way ndakanone kura onake Mount Kenya region, especially giko keira kire maundu meri mekikite athuri kuhurwo githunguri na tear gas mugondo cio wa agikuyu kuria uthia gwikirwo magongona ati mahinde mathi kunganio kuria andu aria marwirire mau mahinde mao mathi guthikurio ati affordable housing ciako undu ucio ni rakaraitie agikuyu na njira nene muno. Undu ucio niguo atuma mutongoria wa bururi ndakanone ki kana ki thiini wa kirima guthie kuria Kikuyu Gachagua kuhurwo. Undu ucio ningi ugatuma mutongoria wa bururi ndakanone ki kana ki kuma kirima kura. Kimani na Gathoni have misled mutongoria wa bururi in a very bad way. Kwaja Gathoni riu ndigwiciria hena handu riu akonekana thiini wa siasa cia bururi wa Kenya kura thuri na tear gas gucagira mugondo ucio kuria magongona ma Gikuyu mathia gwikirwo mugondo aheanirwo ni Kenyatta bio Koinange ati ni aracangira nyeni ni pio na tone ige siasa ke maundu maingi muno ala tena hinya mwingi muno no ndani na hinya. Power belongs to the people. Same thing I've told you. Kimani Ichung'wah destroyed himself nani na career yake ya gisiasa muthenya wa ira na uguo niguo kuri. It's just a matter of time. Wacha tuone andu othe mena mutongoria bũrũri uthi mundu ungitikirio guthie Mount Kenya region guthi kwariria andu. Tell them to organize a rally. Tell them mathi organize rally Murang'a. Tell them organize rally ona Kiambu. Tell them organize rally county cia Mount Kenya ciothe. Tell them to organize a rally. Tigothie ati handu kwiko ni cukuru-ini mathie ati cukuru-ini no ni mekuri handu maingire just a rally mathi marugame handu barabara-ini mambie kwariria andu. Tell them to do so na ma succeed. Tell us how they mundu ungiteithia mutongoria bũrũri uguo niguo kuri na maundu maikaritie uguo. Kimani Ichung'wah destroyed himself na ni areninire gisiasa muthenya wa ira. Kuna go podcast mwani manyu mraiko inywe muranatia. Thank you, God bless you guys. It is what it is, kwani iko nini. Thank you, God bless you.